This is the first all motor car to go 8s in the world.
It sounds like a motorcycle.
You guys know he got the face mask. Can of Nitro. Yo, look at my fucking eyes, bro.
I couldn't breathe or see. The car was just yelling.
That shit was epic. Fucking epic.
What's up, YouTube? So today's a big day. First time you guys see this car. This car hasn't been on the channel before, but you guys have seen it somewhat before. Last time we raced this car was World Cup 2021. Before I show the car on the camera, come on this side real quick. Are you excited today?
No, I'm not excited.
The last time we've been on was 2021.
2021, and I remember I probably lost like 20 grand in just gas.
Okay. You guys know he got the face mask on.
He got the face mask on. That means we're on 100% nitro.
The Nitro car is back out, baby. Give you guys a full rundown in a few. And then start the car up, warm it up. Make sure everything is good, looks good, no leaks. And we're gonna tune it today. I'm excited.
I'm not fucking excited.
I feel like this is the car like that really set it off for us. This is the first all motor car to go 8s in the world, stock chassis. It was on a 4-speed a while ago. Now it's on a sequential. It's been on sequential for the past 2 years now.
Just hear money. Every time I get this here.
I just want to see your eyes water when this car starts up.
I want to be at the end of the block.
You guys, pay attention to the lights, right? Look how clear it is in here right now. Hopefully the camera picks it up, but look
This
how
whole thing.
it's gonna turn yellow.
Turn yellow. The whole thing.
Hopefully the camera can pick it up.
All these dudes out here gonna be crying.
All these
outside.
dudes are gonna be at the end of the block once this car starts up.
I'll give you $20. You walk around here as soon as after the pull.
I've been pepper sprayed 10 times.
This ain't no pepper spray. I'd rather be pepper sprayed than be in the room.
I wish you guys can pick up the scent of the Nitro through the camera. It's something like you've never seen before. I remember being at
It's
the
something
track,
like you've
right?
never felt before. It's
Your
like pepper
eyes-
sprayed. If you ever got pepper sprayed, it's pepper spray times 20.
The fucking sticker on the car bubbled up. That just tells you like how crazy this fuel is. Oh, and we're turning the street car today too. We got a couple upgrades on it. Check out the new wheel setup. 15-inch bell axe. You guys can't really tell. So the centers are satin black, barrels are gloss black, and then the bead ring, I did a two-tone bead ring. Satin with the gloss in between. Looks really good, murdered out. The fronts I didn't want to put on yet because those tires are kind of soft and this car makes too much power. It'll probably ruin these tires on the dyno. We're gonna tune this car with the R888 on it for now, and then I'll put the wheels on later. Brings back so many memories. The cold starts, doesn't want to start.
Memories that plays back in my head. Just money.
Money. Oh, you got to throw that clip in. Money.
Let me get out of here.
Oh my God. Yo, boy, let me see your face.
Yo, you didn't even have to call Ireland for a second. That shit's bad.
What the?
Yo, look at my fucking eyes. Bro.
Shit sound like a motorcycle.
Yo, why are you sitting back here? The car's over there.
Bro, I do not miss this shit. Fuck that.
I wish you guys can pick this up to the camera.
Yo, no lie, the Nitro had the mosquito. Yo, the Nitro made the mosquito hit the ground, bro. I swear.
This ain't it. This ain't it.
Yo, come closer for the camera.
If anybody want to buy a Nitro car, DM me ASAP.
Yo, why are you crying?
Bro, why am I crying?
Yeah,
He
why?
was over there at the end over there talking about.
Why the fuck you crying? Alright guys, so peep the room right now, it's clear. Yo, guys, look at the room. The room is fucking yellow. You guys see that back there?
Yo, that was
Crazy.
Oh my god.
Guys, look at the fucking room in the back corner.
That shit was epic. Fucking epic.
That was even a fucking full hit and the shit started spinning already.
That shit was great.
Just heard the car yelling.
Yo, what happened?
I couldn't breathe or see. The car was just yelling. I don't know.
Yo, let me see your eyes.
I mean, what eyes?
Like, it's not boosted. I think
like-
like, step in the driver, I should just put on a roller.
It's like instant. Yo, it's crazy. It's like an instant shock, bro. Like nothing matches.
Yo, this was him holding the phone. He's holding the phone. He was like,
He's just. I couldn't breathe or see. I swear, I couldn't breathe or see.
And Jamie wants us to fucking stand on this thing. I'm not standing on this car, bro. I'm good. So, because he can't stand on the outside of the car, he's sitting inside of the car. Yo, how much fuel was that?
$500 worth of 3 pulls, pretty much. Yeah.
Can of Nitro. It's 2023. How much does a can of Nitro cost now?
Like $400 or $500. So,
For a-
500, right?
For a
500.
can of 100.
500 for that, and then you have to mix it with 50. You just can't burn 100 straight. The 50 costs 200, so $700.
Hold on, I have another question for you. Can I just cheap out and buy 2 cans of 50?
And make 100?
Make it 100.
Someone called me, right?
Yo, if you're watching this video, that was the funniest shit I've ever heard in my life.
A lot of you guys probably don't know. Someone called me, right? They was like, yo, how much for the can of 100%? I think I told him like $600. I had to drive out to Delaware to go get it. So I said $600 for 1 can for 5 gallons. Then he was like, how much is it 50-50, the 50%? I told him it's like $200. In his head, he put 50%, 50% will make me 100, it'll be $400. I could save $200. You can't take 50% and 50%, mix it together and make 100. 50 on 50 will make 50. You know what I'm saying? But like, to him, he doesn't know about fuel or the cars or whatever. It was the funniest shit I ever heard. He said you want to meet him.
Can't show you guys the dyno numbers. Making more power than we made last time we were out with the car. They're putting the airbox back on right now. We're gonna make one last pull. Thing is, Jamie got these all motor cars down packed. All he needs is 2 pulls and he's done. Yo, where you running to, bro?
Yo, that was.
Yeah, you good?
Yo, that he a G. Yo, y'all ain't ordering? No what? Yo,
No way. No way.
yo, that shit tough. I was in the service, bro, so I know all that. Yo, that.
Oh, yo, look at my boy's eye, though. Look at him. He was back there for 30 seconds.
I gotta put him in my race car. I was in the service.
My boy.
Damn, man. I gotta catch somebody else over here.
My boy a G. Alright, man.
When I was in the service, we had to go inside the gas chamber without the mask.
Stand in there?
And we had to stand there, parade rest.
Damn.
Okay.
I'll give it to you.
So he-
OG still got it. I don't got it.
He should have stayed in there for at least a minute.
We should have. He should have stayed there for a dyno pull.
He was putting me in there for the dyno pull, bro.
Yo, car's insane. I think it's the most power I ever made on this dyno. All right, so that's a wrap for the all motor dyno session. Sorry I'm not behind the camera too much right now. I was just really focusing on getting my car situated. It's been a long time since I had this car last back out, but this car just made an insane amount of power. I can't wait to see what it does at the track. It's our introduction, obviously, for the all motor car if you don't know what it is. But yeah.